story, viewers, that we have for you at this hour is what is happening in the national capital. The Prime Minister Memorial has formally requested the return of original letters written by India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, in a letter dated 10th of December, Rizwan Qadri, a member of the PM Memorial, wrote to Congress MP and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, urging him to return the original letters taken by Sonia Gandhi in 2008, or at least provide the photocopies or digital copies of the correspondence. The letters, which are of immense historical value, were originally entrusted to the Nehru Memorial Museum and the Library in 1971. However, they were reportedly packed into 51 cartons and sent to Sonia Gandhi in the year 2008. The collection includes correspondence between Nehru and several prominent people, including Edwina Mountbatten, Albert Einstein, Jayaprakash Narayan, and many others. Listen in.
मैंने सितंबर 2024 को श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी को एक पत्र लिखकर रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि आपके द्वारा प्रधानमंत्री संग्रहालय यानी कि पहले जो नेहरू मेमोरियल म्यूजियम लाइब्रेरी हुआ करता था, वहाँ से जो नेहरू कलेक्शंस में से करीबन 8 अलग अलग सेक्शंस के 51 कार्टून आपने विड्रॉ किए हैं, वो या तो संस्था को वापस लौटाए जाए या हमें उसे देखने की, स्कैन करने की परमिशन दी जाए या उसका कॉपी आपके द्वारा स्कैन कॉपी हमें उपलब्ध कराया जाए। हमने जब सोनिया गांधी जी को रिक्वेस्ट लेटर भेजा, ईमेल भेजा था, उनकी तरफ से कोई प्रत्युत्तर नहीं आया था। राहुल जी को भी भेजे, आज 3 दिन हुए, उनकी तरफ से भी ईमेल का प्रत्युत्तर नहीं है। उसी तरह हमने उनको पोस्ट से भी लेटर भेजा है। आशा करते हैं कि विपक्ष के नेता के नाते इस इशू के अंदर वो दखल देंगे और संशोधकों के लिए, हमारे जैसे जो काम करते हैं, उनके लिए ये चीज़ उपलब्ध कराएंगे।
Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party, viewers, has raised significant questions regarding these missing letters written by India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The BJP has accused the Congress party, specifically Sonia Gandhi, of deliberately trying to hide these letters. And now we will see what happens next, because already this has become a big political issue with the BJP raising this particular issue. The letter has been written to leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. What will be his response to this entire controversy remains to be seen. In fact, Prime Minister's Museum and Library, viewers, has appealed now to the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to return the collection of historical letters belonging to former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's listen in to this first reaction coming in from Sambit Patra of the BJP.
See, it's astonishing, it is quite intriguing that what today we call as a Prime Minister Museum and Library, what in the yesteryears were called as the Nehru Museum and Library. In fact, it possessed the letters written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, to Lady Edwina Mountbatten, to Jayaprakash Narayan ji, amongst other leaders of the world. So what was the reason that just before the decision of digitization of this letter in 2010, all these letters, otherwise they would have come to the public domain, they were retrieved by the Congress party and particularly Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. What was in the letter between Nehru and Edwina Mountbatten? What was the communication between Jayaprakash Narayan ji and Nehru ji? Was something which is of historical importance and the nation has every right to know it. And that's the reason as to why these letters were in government possession. Now, in the AGM of the meeting of the PMML member, Mr. Qadri, Rizwan Qadri, a known historian, has letter written to Rahul Gandhi. He has written in this letter that Mr. Rahul Gandhi should cooperate and should ask the then UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi to return these letters to where it belongs to, that is the Prime Minister's Library and Museum.